Yes, YouTube, good morning and welcome back again. Welcome back to Roller Coaster Crypto, actually. To be honest, I didn't trade on Friday and Saturday, so I could prevent myself for big losses. I was thinking it was going to the moon. Actually, they started dumping on Friday and, I made one mistake on Sunday. I tried to catch the bottom, but they kept dumping, so I lost somewhere around 3k there. But yesterday, what a ride. So guys, we're still big in the profits. I managed to get some losses back and to make more profits as I lost, right? I sold my position too early, actually, because I could make 3 times more as I had now, because I catch the bottom again. And it doesn't take away that every day has a new opportunity to jump in the market. So don't chase these candles, just wait again, as I always tell you guys, for retracement during New York time to eventually catch the ride up, the next ride, right? So I want to show you guys actually what happened and what happened in my account, because I'm full transparent, I'm not a joker. I'm here to make a difference. And I like to buy sell stops from other people. So as that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and I did some homework, of course. Let's clean this chart. What happened? Daily. We saw some bearish signs on the 8-hour. I was expecting a liquidity sweep to all-time high to eventually come down. I was already expecting it here. If you watch my previous videos, I predicted this dump already, but because of this reversal, they tricked me. So I started to become bullish again, because they pushed the price right through the 786 on the 15 here. So that was a bullish sign for me. Somewhere, where was it? Yeah, I don't know it exactly anymore. But it's okay, Every day is a new day. Let's just forget the past, and every day is a new day to try it again. So what actually happened is the 8-hour became bearish. We sweep liquidity here to eventually dump, and I can remember I saw something on the 15 here. Is that my model played out here? So actually, I was thinking to go short. I didn't do it. I was just waiting. I also didn't feel very good on Friday and Saturday, and one of my rules is that if I don't feel good, I just stop watching the charts, I stop trading, and I could prevent myself for a giant liquidation here, right? So what I did on Sunday somewhere here is that I thought this was the bottom because of this bullish divergence, and they swept one more time. And now you can see in my account that I lost somewhere around 3k, 2005, let's say 3300, and yesterday I made back 4k almost. So I'm 700 in the profits now. So you can see also that I have a limit order placed here to catch the new ride up. I love this number, actually. And if you watch this number, so I made crazy gains actually on Ethereum, 1100%. I bought the dip. As I told you guys before, I bought the sell stops of other people. And here, I love this number also. This is for me a great sign for great things in the future. So I'm very excited about the future, That's the thing, you know. I always try to. I know that everything is divinely guided, right? So I always try to listen to my surroundings and try to connect with my higher self and nature, and then you will find your answers, you know. And sometimes you just don't trade, you know. You just wait. Because I didn't trade and I wait, I didn't lose so much money. And that's one of the things, you know. Once I started trading, I became very spiritual, you know. I went to dark places, and I needed to learn to listen to the universe, you know, because there are your answers, and you create your own reality. So it's very important to do that. So that's how I could prevent myself for big losses, you know. I bought this sell stops here on Ethereum to eventually catch the ride up 1100%. You know, I paid myself here so I could catch way more profits, and the same I also did with Bitcoin. You know, I paid myself here, so I missed another 1000%. But you know, it's okay. I'm grateful. I wait for the new ride. For example, now we go to the daily. What you actually can see is that BTC played out completely to the 786 here, right? This was also where I wanted to take profit, but you know, I was a little bit scared, and you know, I also have my emotions, but after all, I managed to make profits instead of losses. So that's a little bit the thing about trading, especially when you trade for a living. You need to pay yourself, you know. So what I'm expecting now for BTC, that it will come to this 618, and that's also where my limit order is, like 99.5k. You know, I really hope that the guys who are watching this, that you didn't lose too much during this liquidation event, so you can still enter this trade, because you know, BTC is crazy bullish again. You know, we retraced the 786. In a bull market, you only want to buy 618s. So I put my limit order on 99.5k to eventually catch the next ride up, right? We still have a 786 to break here. And the next resistance level we have is this one, 104.6k. Yeah, and then 106.2k, where we started dumping last Friday. So guys, you know, a lot of opportunities to catch the new ride up tonight or this morning during New York Open, to catch the ride up. You know, there's a possibility that they go here. That's a nice 1000%. There's a possibility that they sweep till the 786, but I jump in on the 618. If we sweep to the 786, you'll have a 1200% if you trade on 200x. If you want to trade on 200x, you know, the link is in the description. I trade on MEXC, 0 fees. And what you have to remember is, once you trade on 200x, is that you only put in max 5%. That means if you have a stop loss of 2%, that means that you only put in 2.5%. So you can lose max 5% of your total account. But you can see the crazy gains you can make on a pump like this. That's a very nice risk-reward ratio, right? With proper risk management. So as I said, guys, bullish again, BTC bullish again, you know. Don't think that this is a bull flag, because this will fail. We're in a premium market. This thing will retrace somewhere on the 618 or the 786. You know, the 618, 99.5k, 786, 98.7k. As you guys can see, I have a big time limit order here on 99.5k to catch the next ride up. So as that said, guys, you know, just pay yourself, very important. You know, don't be greedy, and be humble and grateful for the small things As that said, guys, I wish you all a very nice day. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.